Yep, the sun is setting. Hey girls, how are you today?
Good.
Can you tell me your names?
My name is Alexis.
How old are you?
I'm 9.
You had to think about it?
Not really.
Did you just turn 9?
Yes. I usually always begin to say I'm, and I start to stop because I'm always thinking of saying I'm 8.
Okay, come sit down right here. I want to talk to you. Can you talk to me? And what's your name?
Daddy.
And how old are you?
My daddy helps me go to school.
How old are you? I can't hear you. What did you say? You were 23?
23.
You're not 23. Tell me how old you are.
I'm 3.
Oh, you're 3. What do you like to do?
I like to go to the playground.
You like to go to the playground? That sounds like fun. What kind of things do you like to do?
Well, I like riding my bike, rollerblading, swimming, and one thing I mostly like is watching TV or playing on my DS or feeding my puppies on Nintendo Dogs.
Oh, you have virtual.
I like to feed my puppies.
You have puppies to feed too?
And I like getting my nails done.
Let's see those. Oh, those are snazzy.
My nails are messed up.
Oh, we gotta fix that. So what are you doing today? What was your day like today? What did you do today? Oh, you were with your friends?
I was hitting my friends. I was hitting my friends.
Oh, you were hitting your friends? Hitting's not nice. We don't hit. What time is it?
Well, scaring me. Mommy, the ants were scaring me.
Oh, okay. Ooh,
Well, fans, it's time for us to go. Birdie! Well, see you later. You'll probably see us in a few days or next week. So keep it cool. Mommy, bird!
Say bye, Cassidy. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, you like riding your bike too? Maybe we'll come back tomorrow with a bike and skates for your sister. Okay?
Should we go back to the park, Mommy?
Sure.